Test every shutoff valve before you begin any plumbing task, so you do not discover a leak or a stuck valve after pipes are opened. Start by locating the main and local shutoff valves, including those under crawl spaces and at fixtures, and visually inspect for corrosion, mineral buildup, or signs of past leakage. With the water on, turn each valve slowly a quarter turn and listen and feel for flow changes to confirm it is operating. For gate valves, rotate fully to open and close to check smooth movement, while for ball valves, move the handle 90 degrees to verify an audible stop and change in flow. If access is confined in a crawl space, use a flashlight and a mirror to inspect the packing nut and stem for drips, and position a bucket under the stem before exercising the valve in case a slow leak appears. Always shut off the water heater separately by closing its cold water inlet and draining a small amount to relieve pressure if you will be working on hot water lines. If a valve is stiff or leaks when closed, replace it before proceeding because temporary fixes like lubricants or partial operation can fail under pressure and cause flooding. Keep simple tools and replacement parts on hand such as adjustable pliers, a valve wrench, a replacement shutoff assembly, plumber S-tape, and a small hose to drain a line safely and avoid multiple trips. Common mistakes include assuming a valve works because it moves a little. When a valve shows any stiffness or incomplete closure, we replace it rather than risk a hidden drip that will become a flood during testing. Another common error is forgetting to isolate and drain the water heater, which keeps hot water under pressure even after the house main is closed. The quick fix is to close the heater inlet and open a nearby hot faucet while draining a cup at the heater to relieve pressure. People also overlook access points like crawl spaces or exterior shutoffs. Solution is to locate and clear those areas first. Bring a light and protective clothing. And if a valve is inaccessible or seized, consider shutting off the street valve through the utility or hiring a professional to avoid causing damage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find jobs that match their skills and service areas. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips on valve replacement, testing procedures, and local experiences.